Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to cover the remaining sums of assessment test conducted the last month of class 10th. So fourth question guys, if 5 sin A equal to 4, then find secant A tan A. If 5 sin A equal to 4, then find secant A tan A. How can we solve? Let's start. Draw a rough right angle triangle and mention all the values, what is hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So given that 5 sin A equal to 4, so make sin A as subject, we get 4 by 5, that is opposite by hypotenuse. We need to find secant and tan. Secant is the reciprocal of cos and tan is sin by cos. Okay, find the value of unknown using h square equal to o square plus a square using hypotenuse square formula. So we got a equal to 3 guys. So secant A is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent, that is 5 by 3, and tan A is opposite by adjacent, that is 4 by 3 according to the figure. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.